Fartcoin is rising rapidly. We can see it's up 10.32% on the 24-hour time frame over here, guys, and 14% on that 7-day window. And that is pretty significant. We can see $821 million market capital, but of course it is chasing previous tops. It's chasing its pre-high at $2 billion. It's also chasing its recent local high at $1.66 billion on the market capitalization. So yes, it looks good on the 7-day period. Yes, it looks good on the daily period. But actually, when you revert to that monthly window, that 30-day time frame, you can see Fartcoin really is down. And it's, of course, a lot of people that bought in these euphoric tops. And it doesn't matter where you bought in, whether it was late 2024 alt season where we had all these coins going parabolic, or whether it was sort of during the summer where we had that Fartcoin kind of big move, especially around the July period. Well, it's still down quite significantly. It's still left a lot of holders in this sort of rut at the moment where they're waiting to make their money back, and it may not happen at all for a long period of time. Now, the good news is it has broken through a bit of a resistance at $0.81, so it's flipped this back into support region, but we do need to close this daily candle above this support threshold in order for it to remain bullish and feel bullish at the same time, guys. So yeah, Fartcoin, interesting one here. Now, I was on their X profile. There was a little tweet here, September 8th, just 11 a.m., only a few hours ago. It says almost ready. It does leave you wondering, ready for what? What do the team over here at Fartcoin have potentially planned for the project? You know, could there be something on the way that's going to be big over here? It does leave you wondering. Now, they have been awfully silent, taking a leaf out of PEPE's book. But yeah, you can see this has indeed, been one of the top trenders over the 30-day sort of period. Fartcoin is still one of the strongest traders out there in the meme coin space right now. So I am particularly bullish on what might happen. But again, nothing is guaranteed in this market, guys. In order for this to really work, we do need a full-fledged alt season and meme coin season. Yes, we could see a rise, but still September is notorious for being bearish. And as a result, I still think we might move a little bit lower for the altcoin and the meme coin space in September. I could be fully wrong. I mean, this coin has just perfectly picked up where it needed to in that golden Fibonacci region. But in general, let's see what's going to happen here with the Fartcoin token before we judge too heavily and get very, very bearish on it. So it could actually still see at the top of this wedge close by the end of the month being $1 again. But, at the moment, it's hard to say. It's really, really hard to say what's going on, because a lot of coins are still down, but they're pumping nicely on the weekly and daily time frame. So it's a bit of a nice move in the market. So looking at memes in general, if we just check over here on coin market cap, we can see memes are up a good 6% on the day. They've hit $72 billion worth of valuation. We've also hit 83% increase on volume here. So memes are climbing a little bit. But again, if you go to that yearly time frame, if you go to the all-time time frame, these numbers, these levels that we're currently at, we already saw in 2021. So these aren't like levels to get excited and start getting out bed for, right into the bank about, and just, getting all joyous over. Yes, it's nice to see the consolidation, but we're nowhere near where we were in December 2024. We had $140 billion market cap. We're only 50% of that right now. So got a long way to go, guys. We're not close. We're not close yet. Do you want to say, if you're, of course, new to my channel, subscribe, like, comment, but get yourself in my crypto Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. It's fully free to join. And, in general, I would just like to get more people in here. I'd like to get more people in here. We've got over 40,000 people in here, but you can never have too many when it's a community. So please join. Come say hello. We also have the VIP community. If you want to get into this, you can check out the Patreon down below for that full support, creator support, but you're going to get a load in return. You're going to get trade signals, spot signals, leverage signals, future signals, early alphas. You're going to get stealth launches, DEX launches, early whitelistings, and a bunch of other great stuff too. So check out the Crypto Legend roll down below. Before you head off out there and do whatever you're doing, I want to say hopefully you have a great day in the crypto space, and hopefully we all can see something nice happen here. Do consider also signing up to KSEX, really nice exchange. I did literally just go short on WorldCoin using KSEX a few moments ago. And yeah, it's pretty much holding the same sort of spot. So yeah, really good exchange. I'm enjoying it a lot. No KYC, it's globally accessible. KSEX you will love it because it's going to save you so much money on those fees. You can see here, just looking at those low fees, they're not making it up. The spot fees are 0% on Taker, spot fees are 0% on Maker, and the futures are 0% on Maker and 0.01% on Taker. So really, really good. Just a swift reminder to get yourself signed up to this one if you haven't already. And they're also doing giveaway bonuses right now. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. This isn't financial advice, and we'll see you very, very soon.